Hello everybody, my name is In today's video, me and my friends are going to be presenting the results of our case study for SeaBank investment feature. First of all, let me introduce my partners. This is Gisela and this is Edward. But without further ado, let's just start into the presentation, shall we? Okay, so first of all is the context. Over the last year, the investment trend has grown exponentially in Indonesia. Many people want to invest their money in order to boost their assets and wealth. SeaBank recognizes a significant opportunity to get into the investment industry. This encourages SeaBank to build new features for user investment. However, SeaBank has realized that many aspects must be taken when developing this new feature. Okay, next is challenges. For challenges, we have found three challenges. First one is lack of user knowledge, inadequate risk management, and also low trust. Next is the design process. In the design process, we use the user-centered design process. So next is research. For this research, we find some problems using the 5 questions, which is what, why, how, who, and where. Next is user survey. User survey is used to understand the user's needs and also to validate research and also to find problems. Next is find opportunities. We classified some problems so that we can make how might we questions so that we can find the opportunities.
After a lot of research, we managed to create several investment features in the SeaBank application that meets the user needs. There are several features that we made. The first one is portfolio, which allow users to check their assets. Users also can purchase and sell investment products according to their needs. Users also can check many products and compare them to find the best product for them. We also provide features that allow users to set goals to help them reach their financial goals. Users also can check their history transaction through the transaction feature. We also made academic feature to help users learn and understand more about investment.
In this feature, users can check and know their risk profile from data taken from risk assessment. We also made consultation and recommendation features to help our users find the right product and reach their financial goals. Users can chat and discuss with other users by joining group in the community feature. We also provide various articles to improve user investment information. The last one is the event feature that provides webinars to increase user knowledge. So that's all for our presentation today. Thank you so much for listening and goodbye.